What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to break down 3 underrated leg exercises that I'd love to see in your training a lot more often. What's up guys? It's Kevin Andres, owner of K-Squared Fitness, and this is the YouTube channel that helps get you jacked, baby. So if you're new around here, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and let's get straight into this first one. So one that I don't see often enough is when people are trying to get front squats, back squats, overhead squats. All that stuff is great, but we have to master and add in tempo, perfect, elbows in, abs engaged, goblet squats, heavy goblet squats, a lot more often than people think. They're a great drill to add in for positioning, good for a warm-up to open up your hips. You get loaded up when you really start stacking up some of these heavier kettlebells. Really challenge your positioning, core strength. Like I said, great to add in for warm-ups. We need to be doing more tempo goblet squats. Another one that's often neglected is this lateral position. If we can strengthen our adductors. What's up guys? I wanted to quickly interrupt this tutorial to remind you guys to smash that subscribe button and like this video, share us with a friend, comment down below on your favorite lift or what video you'd like to see next. And if you want to get stronger, check the description down below. I've got a link for you that'll give you special access to our program. Let's get back to the video. And get a little knees over toe business, we can get stronger as well. So this is a great drill to get this lateral lunge, trying to force this knees over toe position, flat heels if you can. That's extremely demanding on the mobility, but I'm getting a massive stretch here, and we can really start to work that in range position. We can go front racked here, you can go single here, right? So we want to get into this position and challenge our body in multiple different ways. Goblet squats, lateral lunges, all these things are going to carry over to better strength. Now a lot of us don't have a reverse hyper in our training, but you can use the same thing with the box, or if you have a GHD or something, you can hook on, find some way to hook a band. Maybe you put the band through the box and I hold it over here. You can get that band around your ankle and you can add in some resistance, or just going here, you can get little holds, tempo down, little squeezes there. Reverse hyper is something great that we all need to be doing more into our training, whether you got a band or whether you're just doing on boxes. Add in some reps, start doing those 3 lower body exercises more often. Your body's gonna love it. You guys keep training hard. Like I said, if you're new around here, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and if you're looking for training programs, check out ksquaredfitness.com. We'll help you move better, get stronger, improve your performance, and look fantastic. You guys keep training hard. See you next time.